All right, guys, so today we're going to take a look at the Slidewinder from Outdoor Edge. So, if you're interested, stay tuned through the intro. All right, guys, welcome back. My name is Doug. I am the Bearded Outdoorsman. Normally we are outside in a hammock, but today it is flooding rain and I need to get this video done. So here we are inside. So we're going to take a look at the knife. This is a knife from Outdoor Edge. You can see that. And this is the Slidewinder. All right, so we've got brushed aluminum over here, kind of a plastic poly over here. And a couple cool features about this knife. I really like this knife. I haven't yet put paracord in the lanyard hole, but I've wanted to, and I always keep getting sidetracked. So, but you have a Phillips head screwdriver. You have a flathead screwdriver. You have a bottle opener, because of course we need a bottle opener. You have a pocket clip, which is really strong. And then you have your knife. All right. So you have a good grip here that you can hold and use, but it has a locking box blade. And the way to release this is you just push that orange button and it retracts. It is spring loaded and it self retracts. All you have to do is hit that button and it goes in. You can guide it in, or you can just let it fall. Now, you may be asking, how do I replace the blade? It's a box blade. They're going to wear out. You don't sharpen them. Push your blade up, lock it, you hold that switch, the black switch, you hold it in place and you push that orange button down. And when you do, it releases your blade. Now you can replace it, you can flip it, whatever you want to do. You slide it back in there. When you let off that orange button, it's not in place until that button clicks. There you go. And it has completely retracted. So there is your, I'm going to call it a multi-tool / utility knife, because you've got your screwdrivers, you've got your bottle opener, but you're also working with a utility blade. So that's really awesome. So let's get some dimensions on this, because normally I don't do this when we're outside because it's a little bit extra and a little bit too much to do. So let's go this way because that's the long side. You're looking at right at 3 inches long, maybe a tick over 3 inches long. Width, we'll start at the 1 inch mark. You're looking at maybe an inch and a quarter, maybe an inch and a quarter. And then thickness, if we include the belt clip, let's not include the belt clip, you're looking at 1/4 of an inch. Well, the switch, you got to count the switch. 1/2 an inch. And if you count the belt clip, you're looking at maybe 3/4 of an inch. So yeah, small enough to fit in the palm of your hand. And you can get this in multiple colors. I'll have a link to it in the description below, but you can get this in multiple colors. This one's blue. You can get black, or you can get orange. The orange one looks really cool. And if you're using this for like a job site or something like that, then you might want to get the orange one. That way, if you drop it, it will stand out and you'll know how to find it. I would definitely add some paracord to here if I was using it in like a work environment. I use this really as a pocket knife for a while, testing it out. I think it was given to me as a gift. I can't even remember. I just know I've had it for probably as long as I've had this channel, and I've never replaced the blade. I've used it a bunch, and I've never replaced that box blade. So it came with a really good one, and I never used it for anything like construction-wise to dull that blade out any faster. So the Outdoor Edge Slidewinder. Price on this, it will run you about $15 on Amazon, and that's where I have a link to it in the description below, so you can get over and check that out. Outdoor Edge Slidewinder. They have a bunch of knives, Outdoor Edge does. This just happens to be the only one that I've ever used, and based on the quality and durability of this one so far, I may have to go pick me up another knife from that company to check them out. If you've ever heard of the Slidewinder from Outdoor Edge, drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. Even if you've never used it, tell me what you have heard about it. But if you've ever heard of the company Outdoor Edge, let me know that as well. And yeah, so short and sweet, just giving you kind of an overview. If you've seen this knife around and you were just curious about it, I think it's a really good option for anything from a pocket knife to a work knife. You've got screwdrivers, bottle opener, pocket clip so you don't lose it, a lanyard option, and easy to replace standard box blades. So there you go. Go check it out. And until next time, stay bearded. Get outdoors. We will next time, I promise. And God bless.